Umiinit ang unprecedented world war sa pagitan ni US President Trump at ni Pope Leo. Parehas kasi silang walang balak magpatinag. Ang detalye sa agenda report ni Joel Caballero.
Umani ng batikos ang Jesus-like photo ni US President Donald Trump na pinost niya mismo sa social media. Deleted na ito ngayon.
It's supposed to be me as a doctor making people better, and I do make people better. I make people a lot better.
Sabay ng kanyang depensa, sinabi ni Trump na wala siyang balak mag-sorry kay Pope Leo na tinawag niyang weak on crime at terrible for foreign policy.
He was very much against what I'm doing with regard to Iran, and you cannot have a nuclear Iran. Pope Leo would not be happy with the end result. You have hundreds of millions of people dead, and it's not going to happen. So we believe strongly in law and order, and he seemed to have a problem with that, so there's nothing to apologize for. He's wrong.
Not backing down naman ang Santo Papa.
I have no fear neither the Trump administration nor speaking out loudly about the message of the gospel. We're not politicians. We're not looking at making foreign policy as he calls it, with the same perspective that he might understand it. But I do believe that the message of the gospel, the lesson of the peacemakers, is a message that the world needs to hear too.
Wala naman daw balak makipagdebate si Pope Leo kay Trump, pero patuloy daw siyang magsasalita kontra giyera.
Too many people are suffering in the world today. Too many innocent people are being killed. And I think someone has to stand up and say, there's a better way to do this.
Bukod sa giyera sa Iran, tinuligsa rin ni Pope Leo ang immigration policy ni Trump. Para sa agenda, Joel Caballero, Bilyonaryo News Channel.
Manatiling nakatutok sa Bilyonaryo News Channel. Sumubaybay sa aming social media accounts at mag-subscribe sa aming YouTube channel para sa mga bago at eksklusibong balita.